Hi guys, welcome back. It's Fire and Alarm today. Today I'm explaining tips on fire alarms. First, if you're doing like a demo board installation, I would say cover your sounders with masking tape or put in something into them like toilet paper, bubble wrap, just to quiet them down. That's what I use. So if there is a false alarm, my neighbors don't call the fire department. Second tip, instead of, for demo systems, don't use proper fire alarm wire. It's a waste of money. Third of all, always lock your sounders in place. Like here, you can lock it. Just put a safety screw in. Fourth tip, don't use real smoke. You can use antiperspirant. Sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. Instead of smoke, because it actually works really well instead of buying like a 16 quid fake smoke or smoke saver. But remember to spray not a lot in. And the fourth tip I'll tell you in the house. So guys, before I do the fourth tip, believe me that antiperspirant is actually cheaper than smoke saver. From my experience, and it works fine. I can show you on my Hush demo board system that I just made. By the way, sound is set to French fire. We will do the ESP fire line. Straight away activated. Working. Alarm activated. Hush. Okay. Now I will need to blow this out. One thing. When you want to blow it out, use a piece of paper if it's high, or you can take the detector off and completely blow it out. Okay. Let me go for my hairdryer quickly. Fourth tip. Testing a hairdryer. No, testing a heat detector, use a hairdryer. You don't need to use a kettle or anything like that, a water heater, because it's actually way harder to activate it. It's easier with a hairdryer. Set it on the lowest setting and put it onto the heat or multi-sensor. Activated. Panel activated. I mean the hush button. Now hush. And you need to give it a few seconds to cool down before resetting the system. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. So if you did, please like and subscribe. It's free and you can always unsubscribe when you stop liking the content. Thank you. Peace.